Are you a successful business owner and totally frustrated by the amount of taxes you pay every year? Wondering why your CPA or accountant only seems to be providing tax preparation services but no real tax savings advice? Are you confident you're taking advantage of every tax break you deserve? Honestly, the world is full of CPAs, enrolled agents, accountants, and tax preparers who do little more than just record history by putting the right numbers in the right boxes on the right forms by the right deadlines to keep you out of trouble. But then they call it a day. Tax preparation and doing the company's financial compliance work is not a complete substitute for tax planning. The reason why most accountants don't do more is because they have way too many clients, do not have enough time to learn all the various strategies from the 72,000 plus pages of the Internal Revenue Code. Because of that, like most business owners, it's costing you 5, 6, or 7 figures every year in taxes you really don't need to pay. The late Supreme Justice William H. Rehnquist said there's nothing wrong with the strategy to avoid the payment of taxes. The Internal Revenue Code doesn't prevent that. More and more business owners are now asking their CPA or accountant, why are we paying so much in taxes? While companies like Apple, GE, Exxon, Boeing, Verizon, and others make billions of revenue, but pay little or no taxes. I mean, think about it. What is your accountant actually doing to make sure that you get all the breaks you deserve? And when was the last time your CPA or accountant came to you and said anything like, here's an idea that'll save you money? Tax planning is about giving you a plan for minimizing your taxes. What should you do? When should you do it? How should you do it? Offices of Joon works with elite CPA and accountants to help your business and individual tax planning. Working together with some of the brightest and most forward-thinking professionals from around the country. These leading experts cover vast areas of the 72,000 plus pages of the IRS tax code. Our team is made up of CPAs, tax attorneys, actuaries, engineers, third-party administrators. All are leading experts regarding tax reduction planning, qualified plans and non-qualified plans, cost remediation, and business growth. Also, things like asset protection using premium financing, cost segregation, international tax planning, business financing, funding buy-sell agreements, business exit planning, multiple entity planning, estate planning strategies, and the list really does go on. Offices of Joon use the most timely proactive tax planning solutions available today. The same that are used by some of the most successful and profitable organizations in the country. When most business owners have an important issue that keeps them awake at night, they don't want to get up in the morning and call 12 different people, like the accountant, their CFO, the corporate bank, or their investment banker, their trustee, their attorney, their wealth advisor, and on with the same question. Because they know they'll probably end up getting 12 different answers. Then the business owner has to go and try to assimilate all that information. The business owner can make one call to the offices of Joon who utilize the CPA team-based model. From there, the entire team of world-class experts collaborate to bring business owners the very best answers. And also the reasons why they're the best answers, based on the newest, most accurate proactive planning solutions available that are court-tested and IRS approved. With the CPA team-based model, we understand that the key to proactive planning is keeping the most of what you make. Because we are business owners and want that too. That means scoring your income and expenses for every available deduction, credit loophole, and opportunity. And we do it without aggressive strategies. At offices of Joon, we don't flirt with gray areas and certainly don't touch any red flags. We give you a plan for beating the IRS legally, and we'll find the missing opportunities that may be costing you thousands, tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes you don't need to pay. Then we can show you how proactive planning can rescue those dollars. Offices of Joon offers real tax and business planning that shows clients what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. If this sounds interesting to you, then we'd like to take a minute to explain our simple 5-step process. The first step is to schedule time with one of our CPA team-based model consultants to conduct your free private strategy session. The complimentary private strategy session is designed to determine 2 things. First, can we substantially reduce your taxes and make a major impact on your bottom line? And second, determine if you're ready to take action to generate those results. If the answer is yes to both of those questions, then we move on to the second step, which is to complete the client information questionnaire, also called the CIQ, which is our proprietary software process. It typically takes no more than 5 to 10 minutes. It's an online questionnaire that uses complex logic to analyze your financial, business, and investment situation and identify key tax savings and business planning opportunities. We're not going to need any of your personal information, your social security, your home address. We don't need to see past copies of tax returns. You keep all of that private. Third, we analyze the results of your CIQ and develop a comprehensive plan. This stage typically takes 1 week and will involve the work of a team of specialists. Fourth, we schedule a phone call or in-person meeting to review the details of your plan and answer any initial questions you have. Typically, this call-on meeting will last about 1 hour, and it's likely you'll hear ideas and strategies that you've never heard before. And finally, the 5th step. Aside the next step, at this point, you decide whether you want to work with us and your current CPA or accountant to implement your plan, or if you'd like to work with a CPA on our team. The choice is absolutely yours. We will provide a clear tax reduction plan that is customized specifically to you and your business, that gives you a plain English strategy for beating the IRS legally. Now, please understand that tax planning and proactive advice is way more involved than simple tax preparation. Therefore, we have to limit the number of new business owners that we can work with. We found that those business owners who have the ability to make decisions and actually take action are the most likely to become our best clients for years to come. So please take the next step now. We look forward to your private strategy session and we'll talk to you soon.